Cat Ninja. Cat Ninja. You walking a paper out now. Oh, so you think I'm the shadow villain spent as this nasty napping? Roar! Gurgle, you want the truth, right? Truth. Are you willing to go down my gurgle? Snails, welding, snails again. Okay. Cheers. Get it. Maybe snail aren't the best idea, but having an escape. Shoot is gurgle. Gurgle, gurgle. Mr. Squeak! Guess what? We're pet setting that new dog for the weekend. You're finally going to get to meet Adonis! Claude, you're not going to believe this. Claude, you're here, buddy? Claude, what the heck happened to you? Did you find the toilet again? I'm sorry, but I can't. Please tell me. Oof. Now, Adonis, sit. Ah. Don't ask me for. Oof. Oof. Yes. Okay. Cut it out. You two were all stuck with each other the weekends. So let's make the best of it. Leon, grab your sister and take Adonis for a walk. Ew, you're all wet, Claude. Did you fall in the toilet again? So, Marcy, we gotta walk the dog. Come on, Adonis. Here, boy. Whoa, Adonis, slow down, boy. No, Adonis, but aren't you supposed to be? just dropped him off and left without even saying where it was going. Maybe it's other ski trip. Then got me out. I just miss him. It's okay. Me too, but we're gonna get used to Mom and Dad love us, but they just can't live together anymore. They fought like cats and dogs, remember? Speaking of cats, bark, 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 bark. Whoa, heel, Adonis, heel. Feeling left out to Mr. Squeak. I thought that he's something wicked about the dog and not just because my EX does that. For one thing, as strong as a truck, and maybe it's the way he started at you, Ace. Like he's looking right through you. I must sound like a crazy person. Something. Look at answer about the dog. I guess we're both. Any plus super stick equals Whoa, a good boy. Whoa, I think he walked us. Okay. Think you walk. Click. Adonis is a robot dog. What is a soggy news? Oh, I get it. You think I did something bad. You think I'm up to my old one. Well, let's tell something. Mom, come quick. There's someone the news about a giant robot messing up downtown. Robots breaking havoc. I will destroy. You're not seriously going to fall for that, are you? Mom, I'm scared. It's okay. I'm sure we're safe here. I'm busted. You're going to. Look, a ninja! We're safe! Thank goodness! What? It's a ninja cat. No, it's cat ninja. Metro City saved by ninja cat. Maybe it's cat ninja, not ninja cat. Buffons. And I have covered the solid second in the state. Your super series were collect Dr. Von Malice. Good.